Ever wondered what it would feel like to bring the magic of Andy's room to life? Yeah, the Lego is about to make that dream a reality. And with uh, uh, with on the horizon for June 19th, 2026, a brand new wave of Lego sets is launching, ready to ignite your imagination and expand your brick collection. Um, these aren't just toys, they're gateways to cherished memories, whether you're a seasoned collector or searching for the perfect gift. Uh, these sets promise hours of fun and display potential. Get ready to relive the adventure with some of your favorite characters. First up, the Slinky Dog Bookends, priced at $149.99. These aren't for playtime. Um, they're a statement piece that this detailed set features a posable slinky brick built books, and even a Woody minifigure. Uh, Pre-orders are live now with shipping on May 1st, 2026. Next, blast off with the Alien Rocket Ride. This $59.99 set is perfect for builders aged 9 and up. It features a working crank coin dispenser and a fully posable Pizza Planet alien. Shipping begins May 1st, 2026. Uh, don't underestimate the Lotso buildable figure, but but let me go into that question and don't talk about or don't check out it. Don't talk about. At $39.99, this 570 piece set uh, brings Villain to life. Fully posable and surprisingly sturdy. Lotso is ready to, well, be Lotso. Shipping begins
May 1st, 2026.
uh, Lego has truly hit the mark with this range. A premium display piece, an interactive build, and a character focused starter set. There's something for everyone. With building anticipation, the timing couldn't be better. Um, all three sets arrive on May 1st, 2026. Pre-order the Slinky Dog bookends now. Collector Lego sets sell fast, so don't wait, right? Start building your ultimate display today. Why did the Lego astronaut break up with the Lego alien? Uh, because they needed space. Uh, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, thanks.